In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for teachers in 2025. Whether you're stepping into the world of online teaching for the first time or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the fundamentals of using Google Meet effectively for your classroom. First, you will need to sign into Google Meet. Start by opening your web browser and heading to meet.google.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. It's best to use your school or institution provided account to ensure you have access to all the features you'll need. Now let's talk about creating and scheduling a meeting. There are two primary ways to do this. The first option is to start an instant meeting. On the Google Meet homepage, click New Meeting. From there, select Start an Instant Meeting to get going right away. This is great for impromptu classes or quick check-ins with students. Don't forget to share the meeting link or code with your students so they can join. If you prefer to schedule your meetings ahead of time, you can do so via Google Calendar. Once again, click on New Meeting and then select Schedule in Google Calendar. Click Create to open a new calendar event and start adding your meeting details. Be sure to click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing so that your event is linked to a Meet session. After everything's set, save the event and share the invitation link with your students through email or a messaging app. Once your meeting is underway, it's important to manage your virtual classroom effectively. You'll find host controls in the bottom right corner of your Meet window. This will allow you to enable or disable students' abilities to share their screens, send chat messages, and control their microphones or video. These settings can help reduce distractions and maintain a focused learning environment. Engagement is key in a virtual classroom. To share your lessons, use the Present Now button to display your screen, a specific window, or a browser tab to your students. If you're sharing a video, make sure to select Share Tab Audio so that the sound is included. Recording your classes can be beneficial for both you and your students. Simply click on Activities followed by Recording to capture the session. Recordings are saved to Google Drive, but you'll want to check with your institution to ensure recording capability is available and appropriately used. When your class is complete, click End Call to close the session for everyone. This helps wrap things up neatly and prepares students for the next task ahead. By following this guide, you can confidently harness the power of Google Meet to create an engaging and effective virtual classroom environment in 2025. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.